Okay, so I'll go out, I can control it going down and I can control it going up. Now while we're in here, I want to point out how this motor drive works. It's a 120 watt motor. It's driving through a worm drive gearbox, and it's not a terrifically expensive gearbox, but it's a reasonably good one. It's got a bronze worm wheel in it and a steel worm, so it's quite significantly strong. I've had to pull the gearbox apart and drill or bore a hole completely through it, so that I've got a wheel on the outside and another wheel here, and there's an actual axle that goes right through it. To get a reasonable drive of the chain over the driving sprocket, which is this one here, it's driven by a key through the output of the motor. I've actually put 2 gears on here to give the chain good contact with that particular sprocket. And to keep that in line, that same sprocket, it goes down, along, up here, and into the wheel that's in here. So no matter what angle the carriage is, those will always be in the same relationship to here. Now I've put this in because if you didn't have it, these sprockets would jump around and you wouldn't get quite as smooth a connection. And also while you're up here, you can also see the micro switch that is in that position. So I'll just make those wheels go in and out a few times and you can see what's happening. You can see as I'm coming up, you can see this mechanism here, this is forcing it through an angle and it's forcing that back round as well. You just gave a click, that means that the hook's up here controlling it. This is now floating, alright, there's nothing really controlling it, just its own weight, and we'll bring it all the way in. And are you able to get that lock going into there? When it comes in, it'll stop with the micro switch. It stops, alright? That's not me stopping it, it's stopped with the micro switch, and it means that this part here can